Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and many other coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel as well as my Telegram group for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour Bitstamp chart. Currently Bitcoin is at $24,921 level. In my previous video, I was told you that Bitcoin will hit $24,506 level. Here you can see, and BTC cross $25 level. Congratulations to all of you. Now, very important question is that what will be the next move regarding to the Bitcoin? Bitcoin will dump here, or Bitcoin will go further up here, up from here. I'm going to tell you this. Please watch this complete video. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently a descending broadening channel type, and I saw a bull flag in Bitcoin. Here you can see this is the bull flag, I think so, and please let me clear my chart for better view. Let me please remove some extra drawings. Here you can see we have to clone this. Let me please clone this. Okay, now I'm going to tell you my next target regarding to the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin follow this pattern and respect this pattern, and if Bitcoin follow this pattern, I think so my target will be 25,700 to $800 level. I think so it is $25,837 level. It is very early to say. We have to wait for this confirmation at the point of 25,000. I think so if Bitcoin cross $25,100 level, then I am sure that Bitcoin will hit $25,800 level. This is my target, but I am a little bit conscious about it because I have to watch this trend line. This is the trend line I saw you. I told you in my previous videos, and this is very strong resistance for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to break this. Bitcoin has to break this trend line. Currently is at if Bitcoin hit this trend line, then target is $25,500 level. And if Bitcoin hit this level and Bitcoin rejected at this level, then what will be the next move? This is the main question many of the people are asking to me, and here you can see. At that point, Bitcoin currently, if Bitcoin hit this target and hit this trend line, sorry friends, if Bitcoin hit this trend line, then this is the level of 25,500 to 25,600 level. And if Bitcoin rejected from at this point, then Bitcoin will break this channel, ascending broadening channel, and then Bitcoin will hit 23,000 level first, and I think so Bitcoin will go further down and Bitcoin will hit $20,000 level. This is very unfortunate, and this is very I think so okay disaster for the Bitcoin for this, and we have to be very careful. We have to watch this level, friends, 25,400 to $25,600 level. If Bitcoin cross $25,500 to $25,600 level, then definitely Bitcoin will hit $25,850 level. And after that, if Bitcoin do this, let me show you, then Bitcoin will hit this $26,500 level. And if we saw some sideways action, then we may see this kind of move. And after that, Bitcoin will join the Bitcoin will fall down and Bitcoin will hit this, I think so, 23,000. After that, 21,000. But it is very early to say. We have to watch. We have to wait for the patterns, and we have to watch this level. and I am certain that Bitcoin currently is in an uptrend, and Bitcoin will move sideways, and maybe you see some moves like this, like this, like this, like this, and in between this channel. If Bitcoin hit $24,900 level, then Bitcoin will go to $26,200 level. But for this, Bitcoin have to break this strong resistance of $25,500 level. And if Bitcoin break this, then what will be next? Let me please show you. This is the channel height, ascending channel height, and let me please put it at the top of this ascending channel upper trend line. Here you can see. Then my next target, oh my god, $28,300 level, and very, very beautiful level. And I am very happy. I will very happy if Bitcoin join this party and Bitcoin will hit $28,300 level. So the next targets, next bull targets of mine are $25,800 level, $26,800 level, and $28,300 level. But for this, Bitcoin has to break this resistance level, $25,500 level, with healthy candle, with strong candle, and big volume candle. We have to wait for. Let me show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see. EMA ribbon is currently at $24,692 level, and acting like a support level for the Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon to a downside and hit 24,100 level or 24,000 level, this will be disaster, and price will go down to $23,000 level. We have to wait for this. And let me please show you the MACD. Let me please show you the RSI. Sorry, here you can see I saw this big coming move in RSI channel too. This is a pennant in RSI channel, and we have to wait for the breakout. If Bitcoin break this pennant towards upside, then definitely Bitcoin will hit 86 level, 87 to 86 level. This will be very bullish for the Bitcoin. And if unfortunately, as you know that if Bitcoin cross RSI, if RSI cross 70 level, then this is the bullish sign for the any coin. And if Bitcoin, if RSI break down and hit 30 level, this will be the bearish sign. And let me show you, if this peanut break down, then we may see 33 level of 33 in RSI. This is very, very bearish for the Bitcoin, and at that moment Bitcoin will hit $20,000 level. Please remember this. Very, very big move is coming in Bitcoin, but for this we have to we must have to see a big candle or big volume breakout or breakdown. Friend, this is my analysis for the Bitcoin right now. Let me show you my other coin. XRP. People are very, very conscious about XRP now, and people are getting rich and people are getting poor, and people are losing their money and people are getting rich too, because they were very, very high and risky moves in Ripple coin. Here you can see I saw two patterns in Ripple coin. Currently is an falling wedge type or descending triangle type, descending channel type, and this is the indication that Ripple will break this towards upside and will hit I think so this level and 0.35 cents level. For this we have to calculate the length of this falling wedge, and let me calculate this please. Okay, let me put at this level. Here you can see $0.37 level is my next target regarding to the Ripple. Okay, and I told you that I saw these two patterns. It is a symmetrical triangle and it is a falling wedge, and here currently here you can see rejection, here you can see rejection, here you can see rejection. We have to wait. This is an incomplete pattern, and if Ripple join this party and Ripple move like this, and then definitely Ripple will move towards upside. For this we have to calculate the length of this Ripple, this symmetrical triangle, sorry, and we have to put at this put at upper trend line. Here you can see the target is $0.47 level in the Ripple coin, and for this we have to wait, and we have to we have to relax, and we don't have to use high leverage in Ripple trading, and we must have to be very, very conscious, and please stay away from Ripple right now. And you can trade Ripple at that point if Ripple break this zone, and if Ripple goes to $0.32 level, then you can open a long position and you will set your take profit at $0.37 level. And if Ripple break this symmetrical triangle toward upside and hit $0.37 level, then you can adjust your target, and you can fix your targets like $0.48 level and $0.37 level. If Ripple unfortunately break down this symmetrical triangle, at that point we may see $0.20 level. This will be disaster for the Ripple. We have to wait, and I think so from there Ripple have to move towards the upside, and Ripple will break this support zone, and Ripple have to go to $0.37 level. After that $0.48 level. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA ribbon is currently at $0.32 level. If Ripple break this level towards upside, this will be the indication that Ripple price will go high, and Ripple will hit $0.37 and $0.48 level. Let me show you the RSI of the Ripple coin. Here you can see RSI is currently at 44.9, and if RSI moves towards upside and break 50 level, this will be the indication that Ripple price will go high. We have to wait for this, and please let me draw the pattern. We have to see what the pattern is, and yes. Definitely it will break out towards upside, and for this we have to put it at here, and this will hit 54 level, and this is the indication that Ripple price will go high, and Ripple will hit $0.37 and $0.48 level. Let me please show you my other chart. The other chart is Ethereum USD. Okay, this is the Bit time 1 hour Ethereum USD chart, and here you can see I set my target regarding to my technical analysis. According to my technical analysis is $666 level, but unfortunately here you can see Ethereum is currently in this ascending channel type, and we saw a double top in the Ethereum, and price is down now. We may see some sideways action like this from this level to this level, and maybe like this, and after that we may see that Ethereum will break this channel towards the upside, and Ethereum will go to $660 or $666 level. We have to be very careful, and please do not use this high leverage. And if Ethereum goes break out from this point, then Ethereum will hit 666 to $667 level. We have to wait for this, and we have to wait. And let me please remove this, and let me please show you the EMA ribbon for this. Here you can see. Currently candles are in this EMA ribbon, and it is currently at $621 level. If Ethereum break this trend line, downtrend line, and EMA ribbon too at the level of the $616 level, then this will be the indication that Ethereum will go down. And if Ethereum do this, then let me show you my targets. Then if I put it here, then my target will be $599 level or $600 level. We have to wait for breakout or breakdown. Let me show you the RSI here. Currently is RSI at 49 level at 49, and if RSI moves towards the upside and hit 50 and 55 level, then this will be the indication that Ethereum price will go high. Otherwise, we may see some sideways action in the Ethereum. Let me please show you my next chart. My next chart is Litecoin. Here you can see. I said Litecoin target in my previous video was $143 level, and here you can see ascending channel type pattern, and this is the indication that price will go, I think so, will hit 139, and where you can see after that price will go down to here $106 level. We have to be very, very careful for in trading of Litecoin, and if Litecoin break this downtrend line, and it will break after breakout, the price will be made down to $109 level, and maybe we may see price go to $137 level, and then hit $132 level, and then then it will go down to $100 level. Very, very careful. Be careful, very, very, and do not use high leverage in this coin. So please trade safe. And if we draw a pattern here, you can see something similar, like I think so, but it is early to say. Bull flag type. Oh my god. Here you can see. Let me clone this place. If I put it here, then that will be my next target. Oh my god, $147 level. But we have to be very, very careful. And let me please label this. I think so we may see some sideways action like this, and after that Litecoin hitting my target of $143 level, maybe we may see a dip in Litecoin, and we may see $108 level again. We have to be very, very careful. Here you can see the EMA ribbon is at currently is $126 level. If Litecoin break this ribbon and hit $120 level, then this will be the indication that Litecoin will go to $106 level. We have to watch this level very, very carefully. If Litecoin break this level, $126 level, and after that Litecoin break $120 level, this will be the indication that Litecoin will go to $105 to $100 level. If Litecoin move towards upside and hit and we see some sideways action, then definitely Litecoin will hit 140 to 147 dollars level. These are levels we have to be to watch carefully. And let me show you my last coin. I think so. Bitcoin hit 25,000 level, and this is the indication that market will crash at any moment. We have to be very careful. We have to watch Bitcoin's level $25,500 level. If Bitcoin cross this level $25,500 level, this will be the indication that Bitcoin will hit $27,000 level, even $30,000 level. If Bitcoin rejected at the point of $25,000 or from $25,400 to $25,300 level, and if Bitcoin touch these levels and hit fail to break these levels, then I think so Bitcoin will go down to $24,100 level. Then after that maybe go down to $20,000 level. We have to be very careful. Here, this is my last chart, Chainlink Tether US 1 hour Binance chart. Here you can see Linkcoin break this EMA ribbon towards downside at currently at $10.9 level, and if Linkcoin we can see that there is no resistance in right now for this Chainlink coin. I think so price will go down to $10.1 level. If this level if Chainlink break this level, then this will go to $8.6 level. Currently we have to avoid Chainlink, and we do not have to open any long trades or even I think so short trades in Chainlink because of the uncertainty. Maybe price go down, maybe price up, but 80% chances are that price will go down over the Chainlink coin. This is my technical analysis, friend. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the like button, and please please join my Telegram group and my Telegram channel too. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.